Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss English 3 Quarter 1, Week 8 of the revised K-12 curriculum with the topic Retelling Stories. For this topic, here are the learning competencies. Comprehend stories. Number 1. Note important elements from stories like characters, setting, and events. Use own words in retelling myths, legends, fables, and narrative poems. Use simple sentences to express ideas about regional themes. Express ideas about one's experiences. Number 1. Regional themes. And for our objectives, at the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to identify important details from the story or text read, retell stories using own words, use simple sentences to express ideas about regional themes, and participate actively in class. Before we start, let's look at the picture below. Can you identify what it is? Very good. That is a dam. To be exact, that picture is the Wawa Dam found in Montalban, Rizal. Before we move on, let's discuss what is retelling. It is when you read or listen to a story and then tell it again in your own words. It's like giving a summary, but you include all the important parts like the characters, setting, and main events. How to retell. We are going to use the five-finger retell. First, you tell the characters. Characters were the one who the story is about. It can be a person, an animal, or a thing who portrayed in the story. Next, we have the setting. Setting, when and where the story takes place. When the story takes place, for example, is it morning? Is it afternoon? You can also tell what time of the day did the story happen, where the story takes place. For example, is it in the forest, in a house, etc. Then we have the problem. Problem is the issue or challenge the character is having. And when we have the problem, we also tell the solution. Solution is how the challenge or issue is solved or fixed. In the five-finger retell, the problem and solution parts were also called events. These are important events that happened in a story, in a poem, or in a narrative. Just make sure that you arrange the events in order or in sequencing events. And the last part of how to retell using the five-finger retell is the theme. The theme is the lesson or message of the story. Now, how to retell using the five-finger retell, we have the characters, the setting, the problem and solution, which can also be the important events that happen in the story. Just make sure that it is in sequence. And lastly, the theme. So today, we're going to read a story about the Wawa Dam found in Montalban, Rizal. But before that, we're going to have the unlocking of difficulties. Let's define some difficult words from the story that we're going to read. Number one, dam. It is a wall built across the river or stream to keep the water from flowing. Second, mythical. It means not real, not existing in fact, or imaginary. Number three, guardians. It is someone who has been legally appointed to look after the affairs of another person. Number four, thoughtlessly. It means lacking in consideration for others, inconsiderate, or tactless. Number five, proper waste disposal. It means the correct way of disposing of solid waste. Number six, pollutants. These are substances that pollute the environment. Number nine, oversight. It is a mistake you make when you're not paying full attention. Number 10, transformative. It is causing or able to cause an important and lasting change in someone or something. Number 11, lump. It is a piece or mass of indefinite size and shape. Number 12, weave. It is to create or form something by putting separate parts or ideas together. Number 13, fragments. It is a part broken off, detached, or incomplete. Number 14, threatened. It means to say that one will harm or punish. And for the last word for unlocking of difficulties, number 15, sympathize. It is to feel or express one's understanding of or sadness at the pain or trouble that another person feels. The title of our story is The Guardians of Wawa Dam, written by Odes M. Dagong. In the green valleys of Montalban, Rizal, Bernardo and Maria, the mythical guardians of Wawa Dam, faced a new challenge. They discovered villagers thoughtlessly dumping trash into the water. They greeted the villagers warmly with good morning. Bernardo and Maria felt it was important to share with every villager that proper waste disposal is a key measure in preventing harmful chemicals and pollutants from polluting soil, water sources, and the environment. They expressed their gratitude to the community, saying, "Thank you for taking the time to learn and help us in this important task." Educating others was a crucial part of their mission to protect the dam and preserve the environment. Surprised by the mythical guardians of Wawa Dam's unexpected presence, the villagers realized the dam's gift and their oversight. From that moment on, they promised to throw away their waste correctly. This proves Maria and Bernardo's transformative influence and the potential for positive change. One evening, a lump appeared in the dam's wall. Maria and Bernardo repaired it under the dark sky using magic, pushing, pulling, and carrying rocks. They estimated the area they needed to cover using square tile units as they worked. For instance, If they had a rectangular section of the wall that was 5 miles long and 3 miles wide, they calculated the area by multiplying the length by the width. Their formula was area equals length times width. 5 miles times 3 miles equals 15 square tile units. This estimation helped them determine how many rocks they needed to repair the dam efficiently. After that, they weaved a belt from tall grasses to calm the wind and shield the dam from stone fragments. Then the old spirit threatened to stop the water from flowing through the fields. "These conditions are testing our skills," Maria shouted. They worked together and did their best to shield the dam from stone fragments. "That field needs water," Bernardo said, pointing to a dried land area. Demonstrating their water management skills and respect for nature convinced the old spirit to sympathize with and preserve their beloved dam. As time passed, it became clear that Bernardo and Maria were not just guardians of the dam, but also the land. Every problem they overcame as guardians of Wawa Dam secured their constant commitment to environmental conservation, giving them confidence in a sense of security. The end. Now, let's move on to the application. Let's answer these questions for us to be able to retell the story later. Are you ready? Number 1. What is the title of the story? Very good. The title of the story is The Guardians of Wawa Dam by Odes M. Dagong. Number 2. Who are the main characters in the story? Awesome! The main characters in the story are Bernardo and Maria. Number 3. Where did the story happen? Good job! The story happened at the Wawa Dam found in Montalban, Rizal. Number 4. How did the story start? Very good. It all started when Bernardo and Maria discovered that the villagers were mindlessly throwing their trash into the water. Number 5. What is the problem in the story? Awesome! The problem is that the villagers were mindlessly throwing their trash into the water, causing pollution. Then, there was also a lump that appeared in the dam's wall. Number 6. What is the solution to the problem? Good job! The solution is that Bernardo and Maria kindly talked to the people not to dump their trash in the water. And for the lump in the dam's wall, they worked together to fix it. Number 7. How did the story ended? Very good. In the end, Bernardo and Maria realized that they were not just guardians of the dam, but also of the land. And that thought gave them confidence, a sense of security, and commitment to better protect the Wawa Dam. Number 8. What is the theme of the story? Awesome! The theme of the story is that we must protect the environment like Bernardo and Maria because we are all guardians of our beloved nature. This time, let's move on to generalization. Let's answer this question. What is retelling? Very good. Retelling is when you read or listen to a story and then tell it again in your own words. It's like giving a summary, but you include all the important parts like the characters, setting, and main events. Another question, how to retell? Awesome! We have the five-finger retell. First, you tell the characters of the story, the setting, the problem and solution, which can also be the important events that happen in the story, and you should do some sequencing events, and lastly, the theme. Now, for the evaluation, let's do the retelling. Are you ready? Very good. This is a sample retelling of the story, and you can also create your own version of retelling using your own words. The story is entitled The Guardians of Wawa Dam by Odes M. Dagong. It all started with the two mythical guardians of Wawa Dam found in Montalban, Rizal, Bernardo and Maria. They discovered that the villagers were mindlessly throwing their trash into the water. So, they decided to talk to them. They kindly explained to the villagers the possible negative effect of their actions. Together, they must protect the dam and preserve the environment. The villagers were surprised and realized the impact of what they did and promised to do proper waste disposal. One evening, a lamp appeared in the dam's wall and Bernardo and Maria fixed it. After that, they worked together to calm the wind and shield the dam for stone fragments. Soon, Bernardo realized that the field needs water, and it became clear to them that they are not just guardians of the dam, but also the land. In the end, that thought gave them confidence, a sense of security, and commitment to better protect the Wawa Dam. So, we must also protect not just the Wawa Dam, but our environment, like Bernardo and Maria, because we are all guardians of our beloved nature. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3, Quarter 1, Week 8 of the revised K-12 curriculum, and it's all about retelling stories. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.